How to change Facebook page name. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your Facebook page name step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the menu section, simply look for your profile name, and there beside your profile name you can see the drop down arrow. So simply tap on it. And now here from the pop-up menu, simply select the page where you want to change the name. And now here, once you are on the page, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner again. And now here, once you are in the menu section, just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And after that, you'll be prompted to the settings and privacy page. Now from here, you simply have to scroll down, and now here under audience and visibility, you simply have to tap on the option labeled as page setup. And now here under the page setup, you can see the option labeled as name. So simply tap on it. And now here in this section, you just have to tap on the box, and here you simply have to type in the new name. And now here, once you're done typing your new name, simply tap on review changes, and Facebook will review your request, and if approved, your new name will be updated within a few days. But keep in mind that you can't change your page name too often, and your new name should follow the Facebook page guidelines. And that's it. That's how you can change Facebook page name. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.